Program name Night Live Study NEL. Script Talk Show Academy of Educational Development AED. Host, good evening viewers. Welcome to NLE's Night Live Study. See you again, Nova Novi Eli Pasaribu, in our favorite event. I am very happy that I can accompany you for the next 10 minutes, of course, with an interesting, them and competent speakers in their fields. I found this inspiring institution. Some of you might have heard of it, but for those, let's take a look at this clip. AED clip host. With the help of our special guest, we will discuss the Educational Development Academy, its role and position statement. Let's give a round of applause for the Academy for Educational Development representative. Mrs. Zulham and Mrs. Santi. Applause and cheers from the audience. Host, welcome Mr. Zulham and Miss Santi. Thank you for coming to join our invitation tonight. Nice to meet you both. Kush, fun is ours, Mr. Nova Novi Eli Pasaribu. Thank you for accepting us here, host. Now, what is AED? Quiz 1. The Academy of Educational Development, or AED, a non-profit organization, is a society for developing societies found in 1961 by Sidney Tighton and Alvin Harris, in aiming to development many fields, including health, economics, civil society, and education. It operates in conjunction with national and local partners, as well as beneficiaries and donors, to promote sustainable outcomes through a comprehensive and cost-effective approach. As a member of the Youth Global Leadership Coalition, the organization strives to meet economic and social challenges. Host, what is included in the scope of the Academy for Educational Development? Question 1. There are 5, namely global nutrition, population and health, institutional development and leadership, global learning, workforce development and education, social change. Host, does the organization cooperate with other organizations? This organization certainly collaborates with other organizations such as the American Red Cross, CDC Foundation, Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition and Gender Health. Examples of companies include Coca-Cola, Chevron, Texaco, IBM, and many more. Several multilateral institutions include the World Bank, UNICEF, Asian Development Bank, WHO, and the Inter-American Development Bank. Host, how many programs do the United States operate? Gush 1. The organization operates more than 250 programs in the United States and in more than 150 countries around the world. Currently, the organization also focuses on 3 broad areas, including computational diversity, organizational diversity and inclusion, cultural diversity and competent. Host, does this organization only operate in the United States? Guess to no, this organization operates in various countries, one of which in Indonesia, and have been operating since 2008 in Jakarta. Host, what EAD programs are there in Indonesia? Thus, AED support programs in Indonesia include training of school teachers, establishment of learning centers, modernization of medical record management, provision of vaccination and micronutrients, microtest assistance, and cultural introduction through youth delivery and documentary film production. In addition, EAD implement the human and institutional capacity development program during 2007, long-term and short-term educational program, conference, seminars, and special training conducted in the US, Indonesia, or third countries. For the initial stage, assistance will be direct at short-term education, including in the field of biodiversity conservation, local government, and decentralization, leadership in political parties, anti-money laundering politics, as well as economic analysis and outlook. Thank you.